In the energy quadrant, taking a look at a down session in the March natural gas futures. The early rally this morning turned lower after we cleared yesterday's high, taking us to a total move lower from the January 13th highs to where we are today of about 23%. Today's close marks the third down day in the last four as we again test the 50-day moving average with today's low. The high today, 3.240, that was up 2.21%. The low, 3.075, that was down 3%. With a little bit of time left in the session, we're still down almost 2%. The storage report came out today for natural gas, and today's EIA report printed a draw of 321 billion cubic feet, larger than market expectations of around 289 billion cubic feet, and much larger than the 5-year average, which sits at about 187 billion cubic feet drawn out of stockpiles. This beat decreased supplies from 2,892 BCF to 2,571 and decreased surpluses from 21 billion cubic feet to a deficit of 111 billion cubic feet. Weather demand that we're expecting going forward, we're looking for light weather-based national demand for much of the next 7 days. Cold air is going to linger across the Great Lakes and the Northeast for the next 2 days or so, keeping highs in only that 20 to 30 degree range and lows in the 0 to 20 degree range. But we're getting a milder system that's going to track across the southern U.S., bringing some rain, but highs of 40 degrees to 50 degrees, with the southernmost parts of the country, like South Florida, being the exception, enjoying highs in the 70 degrees to low 80s. There will be some cold air going through the Pacific Northwest and the northern Rockies this weekend into next week, but not enough to pump demand into that higher demand range.